So the given question says that a capacitor is formed by two square metal plates of edge A separated by distance d. Dielectric constant K is filled in the gap as shown in the figure. So equivalent capacitance is. So what we will do here, we can say that this is a distance say A, and this can be our angle, certain angle called theta. So this is the distance d that is separated by two square metal plates. So let us say that this is one plate K1 and this is one of them, one other one, the K2. So now it has certain separation. So what we can do here is we can consider an elemental capacitor, like we can consider here elemental capacitor. Say it dx. Say it is with dx. Now we will assume it till here. From theta the separations will become x tan theta, x tan x tan x tan theta. So the remaining one from here, it will become d minus d minus d minus x d minus x tan theta. So let us say that the area of plates of capacitor are a dx, and also this is our dc2 for this second part, and this is for our dc1. This is our dc1. Now we will simply take out dc1 and dc2. So after taking out these two, we can integrate the expressions. What we will get, first we will add on dc1 and dc2, and after that we will integrate. Our dc1 is e naught k 2 a d x upon this distance x tan theta, x tan theta, and our dc2 similarly it is e naught k1 a dx. This is a dx upon this distance d minus x tan theta. Here d minus x x tan theta. Then we will add these two expressions by 1 by dc1 plus 1 by dc2. We will get dc. We will get dc after adding these two, and then we can integrate those expressions, like here we got dc, then it is getting integrated these two expressions, and then after integrating we will get an answer, that is option 1. Thank you.